Assalamualaikum second year class. Today is the last topic of the chapter number 12, and today the topic that is on page number 244, oxidation of ketones. The oxidation of ketone, that is a somewhat difficult process, and in therefore for the oxidation of ketone we have to used an strong oxidizing agent, because this carbon to carbon bond breakage, that is a difficult process. Okay, whenever the acetone that will react with the this oxidizing agent, it will convert it into the acetyl carboxylic acid. Okay, now the next topic, that is the identification of carbonyl compounds. Identification, this is the 2,4 diphenyl uh, hydrogen test, that is hydrogen, sorry, test that will you have already studied this reaction in detail. Whenever we use the reagent with the acetaldehyde and ketone, it a specific type of the precipitation will be generated, which indicated the presence of aldehyde and ketones. Next, the identification reaction, that is the sodium bisulfite test. In this reaction, whenever the reagent will reacted with the aldehydes and methyl ketones, it will generated with the white precipitation that will indicated the ketone or the aldehyde groups, they are present inside the test tube. Tolerance test, that is the silver mirror test. In this reaction, these are the reagents we will use, that is the silver nitride and ammonium hydroxide will be converted into this type of the products, and this will further reacted with the aldehyde, that will reacted with the aldehydes, it will convert it into the silver mirror. Okay, as you know, the people know that the ketone will not create this reaction. Okay, reaction will used to distinguish between the aldehydes and ketones. Next, that is the Fehring reactions and the Benedict's reaction. These are also the reactions which are used to distinguish between the ketone and the aldehydes, because these reactions cannot give a positive result for the ketones. Okay, in this reaction, in Fehling's reaction, after the adding of reagents, that is the cupric hydroxide and the sodium hydroxide, it will convert it to brick red precipitation, that is of cupric cuprous oxide. Whenever we the Benedict's solution, talking about the Benedict's solution test, in this reaction the cupric oxide and sodium hydroxide will converted into the brick red precipitation. And next one, that is this is also the reaction in which this reaction which is positive for ketone, as sodium, whenever we reacted with the sodium nitric oxide with the ketones, it will generate the wine red or the orange red color will generate, which is positive result for the ketones groups, and aldehyde, they will not create this, they will not give this reaction. Whenever we are talking about the uses of formaldehyde and acetaldehyde, these are used as the resin. And first of all, we're talking about the reaction, the uses of formaldehyde. It is used as resin. It is used in industry for the production of the urea formaldehyde in the plastic, just as the bakelite, and it is used for the preservation of the specimen. As you know that formalin, that is the 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde, and then water and the methyl alcohol, it is present in this. It is act as the disinfect and germicides and the fungicides. It is also used for the silver mirroring, and it is used to decolorize the vat dyeings and it is used in somewhat in many medicine, just like it is used in urinary antiseptics. It is used in inhaler, and it is also used as a anti-polio vaccine. Acetaldehyde is used in the inhaler. Okay, and these both products, they give the positive silver mirror test, and they will both will using the silver mirroring test. And the next acetaldehyde, it will use to produce the many industrial products, just like N-butanol, ethanol, 2-ethyl 1-ethanol, vinyl acetate, and it is used for the silver mirroring test, and it is used to make the phenolic resins, and it is used to make the chloral hydrates and chloral hydrates. Both they are used in the different types of the drugs. Okay, this is all about today's lecture, and this is the last lecture of the 12th chapter. Inshallah, in next lecture we will start our next chapter, that is about carboxylic acid, and chapter number 13. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.